Look at this, both of these fog lights are dead. The LEDs on them are just dead. One's gone and the other one is almost dead, flickering. So we're gonna change them out. The DRL is completely dead, not turning on no more. And we're gonna replace them today. Maybe fix some of that rust in there. Good thing is we already had hardwire all these in already. Just gotta literally just unplug. Just gotta take this part off right here on each side, just unplug it, put a new light in and plug it back in, and it should work. So this saves us a lot of work. Maybe fix some of that rust right there. So we took the electrical tape off and we just pretty much unplugged the light. And we just gotta rinse and repeat for the other side and then just take the whole unit out. And there it is, folks. This unit is out. Now we gotta take the driver's side out as well. And there it is. The driver's side unit is out. I'm just gonna put my hand right here to block out the sun, so get rid of the glare so we can see, but see, it's all black now. We fixed the rust spots. Pretty much we use some rust fix to spray on it for a couple coat over 24 hours. What it does is it destroys all the rust, and then we sand it down and just put some paint over it, 2 coats of paint. And pretty much this is what we use for it. This is rust fix right here. It's you can see it's a before, after. Basically, it's destroys the rust and it turns all the rust spot black, which is great because our bumper is black. So, and then after that, I put 2 coat black paint on it. This stuff is great. All right, now let's see. Let's put in the new fog light. This is the pretty much it's the same exact fog light as before. So all the setup is the same. All the wiring's done already. So let's see what we got inside. All right, so we got our new lights right here. The brackets are over here. We took all the wirings out because we don't need them. Just because we had the original wiring that we installed before. It's already in there. Just gonna do the plug and play. So just gonna plug these back in. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Now we got the brackets on. Just gonna put it on the Jeep now. The bolt and the washer is all rusted, so we went ahead and bought some new one. These are stainless steel from Lowe's, so these should be better. I would just put some electrical tape around the connectors and just zip tie it in so it stay in place. That's pretty much it. And we are back in business. The DRL are back on. Looks great. And they work. All the blinkers work and connected together.